Skull, and welcome back to my Thorskaldr Viking impersonation segment. Today I am bringing you the Spangenhelm. This helm is a fully covered helmet with Aventail. You can tell it's an Aventail from the chainmail in the back here. All of it is 16 gauge steel, just like my chainmail halberd. Perfect for full contact medieval combat. 16 gauge steel, like I said. Everything is nicely linked together. And she is solid. Underneath, I would wear a padded arming hat, which would be right in here. Other than that, she is a beautiful helm. What do you guys think? Also, I'd like to introduce you to the cloak that I'd be wearing above my chain. It's made out of a nice, thick canvas material, black. Underneath, I'd have my amulet of protection, Thor's hammer. And as a little backup, I would have a little knife hanging across my neck, like so. Something carve apples with, fruit, small game, whatever. Yeah, she's a little rusted. But later on, I'll be doing a review of the tools I'll be using. Stay tuned.